Good afternoon and good evening, everyone. As the saying goes on, prevention is better than cure, and a stitch in time saves nine. Today, we'll explore the significance of fire safety inspection and how digital tools can streamline and enhance the essential process. Thank you for joining us on our webinar, Inspection for Fire Safety. My name is Om Puran, and I'll be your host and moderator for this session. Before I begin, I would like to take a moment to introduce our esteemed presenter for today, Lukasz Jarzyna. So, Lukasz is an associate director at ASIA and is responsible for sales, solutioning, and delivery. A few housekeeping items before we get started. This session is being recorded, and the recording would be available after the webinar. If you have any questions during the presentation, please type them into the Q&A box and we'll address them during the Q&A session at the end of the webinar. So now, without any further ado, please join me in welcoming Lukasz. Lukasz, the floor is all yours. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Om. Welcome, everyone. Thank you once again for joining. Today, we will explore how aHawkAI can revolutionize your fire safety inspections with advanced technology and user-friendly features. We will cover also the key benefits, demonstrate the software in action, and answer any questions you may have. So let's get started. Before we dive into the software itself, let's remind ourselves what really is fire safety inspection. Now, fire safety inspections are systematic evaluations conducted to ensure buildings and facilities comply with fire safety regulations. These inspections play a critical role in identifying potential fire hazards and implementing preventive measures. Compliance with fire safety regulations is mandated by law to protect occupants and properties. So basically, fire safety inspection is to make sure that all of us are safe. Even if there is a fire, we know where to go, there are no obstructions on the way, and so on. So the early detection and rectification of those hazards prevent potential fires and enhance overall safety. So in ASIA, we did an assessment. What are the key challenges in fire safety inspections? Manual inspections are prone to human error, leading to missed hazards or inaccurate reporting. Different inspectors may have varying levels of experience, resulting in inconsistent assessments. Again, allocating enough trained personnel and managing costs are also significant challenges, especially in these days. Fire safety regulations frequently evolve, requiring continuous updates and training. We all know, we are from all around the globe, that our governments are changing things very fast without even a notice. Then, from the system perspective, data management. Managing large volumes of data and ensuring its security is crucial. Lastly, ensuring seamless integration with existing systems and achieving smooth data exchange can be difficult. So based on all those key challenges we think that are in the fire safety inspection space, we thought, okay, so what we can do with our software. And our software is called aHawkAI. And why should you choose aHawkAI over other solutions? aHawkAI is designed to address these specific pain points I talk about right now effectively. The platform automates routine tasks, speeding up the inspection process and allowing inspectors to focus on critical areas. Real-time monitoring provides instant alerts, enabling immediate actions. aHawkAI integrates seamlessly with existing systems, ensuring consistent data flow and enhanced functionality. It is intuitive, and mobile accessibility make it user-friendly and flexible. Moreover, I want to say it loud, it is a SaaS inspection tool. You don't need your own infrastructure, you can use it as it is right now. So let's go a little bit deeper. What are the key features of aHawkAI? It offers customizable forms to meet specific fire safety needs and manage entities like sites and products, to name a few. There are also guided workflows, ensuring consistent and accurate inspections. So the needs for the training are minimized. Customizable forms, again, super important because you don't need IT department, you don't need developers to customize the forms. You can change them whenever you want, whenever there is a need or changing the regulations. You are in power to change them by yourself. Real-time and data insights. Real-time monitoring, very important. Instant alerts, the same. We are also providing reports which you can create and analyze by yourself. And also a smart scoring, which is a part of the form where you configure the pass-fail criteria for the inspections. And you will see this powerful feature during a demo. aHawkAI integrates smoothly with existing systems and is scalable for larger organizations. And it also has integration with the Google Maps. Continuing, aHawkAI is also designed with the user in mind. So it has a very intuitive interface. It's easy to use for all the skills. It's again reducing training time and improving the adoption rates. The platform supports mobile access, which means you can conduct the inspections using smartphone and tablets for iOS and Android. Periodic scheduler automates inspection schedules, allowing for bulk management and classification by type and entity. This feature ensures that inspections are carried out regularly and compliance is maintained. Moreover, operational efficiency is a core benefit of aHawkAI. The platform simplifies the scheduling process, ensuring timely and organized inspections, saving valuable time and resources. Intelligent work assignment and optimal routing distributes task efficiently, forecast inspector capacity, and optimize inspection routes. This means that the inspector is spending less time traveling and more time performing high-quality inspections, ultimately making us all safer. Zone management allows for segregation of teams based on geographic areas, ensuring effective management and even distribution of inspections. All those features are fully configurable. I want you to all understand this. Even though this is SaaS, you can configure the forms, you can deploy by yourself to iOS and Android, you can integrate with your own systems. Periodic schedulers, great benefits, the same with the zone management and intelligent routing. SLA management, you will all see that during our demo. But before we go to the demo, I want to grab your attention with something new, something a little bit more innovative, which can be applied in the fire inspection, which is visual pollution and computer vision. So what it is? Visual pollution refers to elements that obstruct or detract from natural and man-made landscapes, such as billboards, utility wires, and litter. So as you can see on the image, the fire exit has a lot of boxes in front. Would that pass our fire inspection? No. We would ask the owner to clean this and make this probably fine him, depends on the use case. So what we can do, there is also something called computer vision. It's very powerful and compelling type of AI, which I think all of us have seen, all of us have probably used it. If you see the videos, the movies, where there is a face recognition, even your iPhone, it's all computer vision. It's basically replicating what we as humans have in eyes to say, yes, there are boxes in the fire in front of the fire exit. So the computer vision can recognize that, hey, there is a fire here, there is a fire there, and so on. It can recognize the boxes. So ultimately, we want a system or a camera to be able to automatically recognize those boxes and act on this. And we already are using this for a few of our customers, which I highly advise you to contact us and talk about this. And how this is related to aHawkAI. So imagine someone is capturing an image. It could be an inspector. It could be a crowdsourcing. So the employees are, reporting the obstructions they see in their offices. It could be something on the street. Many different customers are using this in different way. And of course, you need a computer vision engine. All those images are uploaded to this engine, and this engine is very smart, using AI and AI models to recognize all the visual pollution, all the visual distortions which are on the image. And all of that is seamlessly integrated with aHawkAI. And there are a couple of choices, what you can do. Okay, we have the image of the fire exit with boxes. So what do? It could be a straight-through processing, meaning that we don't send an inspector. So we are saving time and money. But when we do that, the computer vision also gives us a confidence level. How confident I am that there is a boxes and this is a problem. Assuming, let's say, there's a 95%, you can make it straight-through processing and automatically send an email to the owner of the building, asking him to remediate. Then, with our scheduling, you can automatically ask the system to schedule in 1 month inspection by a real inspector who will go there. Or if the confidence level is low, the system automatically will schedule an inspector to visit this site. Okay, and then you can also integrate with your internal system if there is a need to get the data in your database. So what are the benefits of using aHawkAI for fire safety inspections? aHawkAI offers significant financial ROI by reducing manual inspections and errors, cutting costs and simplifying inspection planning. The enhanced user experience features an intuitive interface and mobile support facilitating inspection in various locations. Strategic benefits include real-time monitoring, instant alerts, detailed reports, and seamless integrations with existing systems. And of course, there are some long-term values, which is achieved through automation of routine tasks, customizable faults, and workflows tailored to specific fire safety needs. So as you can see, there are a lot of benefits of using aHawkAI and our expertise. So I think it's time for a demo so you can all see how it works in action. So we'll demonstrate how the platform works, showcasing its key features and how it can improve your fire safety inspections. After the demo time, we'll do a Q&A sessions. Let me play the video.
aHawkAI demo. Let us explore an end-to-end case journey of a fire inspection safety example, highlighting the 3 key personas involved. Persona 1, Inspection Manager. The dashboard displays counts of all types of inspection cases, along with their overall status. The Entities page lists all managed entities with associated details. The General Inquiry page allows filtering of inspection cases by status, date, and other criteria for reporting purposes. The Periodic Scheduler page shows upcoming inspections that are auto-created by the system as planned by the manager. The Leave Planner page manages inspector leaves. To create an inspection case, the manager clicks the plus icon, searches for the entity, selects it, and fills in inspection details such as type, reason, and date. A checklist and a list of qualified inspectors are then populated. Once an inspector is selected, the case is routed to them. Additional tabs include inspection details, which provides case information, and a history section that shows past inspections. The Case History tab tracks actions taken on the current case. From the dashboard, managers can reassign cases that have not yet been picked for inspection, change inspectors, and modify inspection dates. Persona 2, Inspector. The inspector logs into the mobile application and views the dashboard, which shows a count of all inspection cases by type and provides an overall status of the cases in the system. Below this, there is a list of pending cases they need to work on. By seamless integration to Google Maps, the inspector can pick all the cases for a day, group them, and find the best route to complete them. When they click on a case card, they get a brief overview of the case details. On the Inquire Inspection page, the list of cases is displayed. Clicking on any case navigates the inspector to the pre-inspection screen, where they capture initial responses before starting the inspection. On the inspection screens, checklists are grouped by categories to assist the inspector in conducting the inspection. Inspectors save their responses to the checklists after a thorough inspection. They can also attach evidence by capturing photos or videos on the fly and provide additional comments. On the next screen, the Inspector Persona 3 Approver. All cases submitted by the inspectors undergo thorough scrutiny by the approver. The approver logs into their web portal to view all cases submitted by the inspectors. The approver picks a specific case and assigns it to their task list. Once assigned, the case is available in their work list and can be worked on. The approver verifies the inspection responses submitted by the inspector and, after a careful review, can request a re-inspection on a particular date and submit the report of the current inspection. The approver has several actions to choose from: follow-up for items that failed the inspection and re-inspection for cases that need to be reconducted.
Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.
aHawkAI demo.
Do you have any questions? We are here to provide any additional information you may need about aHawkAI and how it can benefit your fire safety inspection.
Yeah, thank you,
I'll give the floor
Lukasz,
to-
for that insightful presentation. And let me take a few questions which I can see. Okay, the first question that we have is, how does the software ensure compliance with fire safety regulations?
That's a great question. The software is designed to stay updated with the latest fire safety regulations and standards. Okay, it includes built-in compliance checks, automatic reminders for recurring inspections, which we already have showcases, and maintenance tasks, ensuring that all safety protocols are consistently met. I hope that answers your question.
Definitely. I'll pick up the next question, which is, can the fire safety inspection software be customized to specific organizational needs?
Absolutely, yes. The software is highly customizable. Okay, you have seen in the key features of
Right.
aHawkAI that we have customizable forms. Everything can be customized, like I said. You can tailor the organization, entities, inspection, the entire flow can be customized per your needs.
Thank you, Lukasz, for answering that. So I'll take up the next question, which is, how can organizations get started with ASEA's fire safety inspection software?
Okay, simply by contacting Asaya through our website or reaching out to our sales team. On the next slide, we'll provide the email address for contacting us.
Absolutely. I'll I'll take up the last question, and maybe with that we can end the Q&A session. So it is it possible to integrate or connect aHawkAI with existing fire safety systems or any building management hardware or software which are present?
Of course, it can. Like presented, even the computer vision engine is an integration. Integration with your existing systems is again integration. So there is nothing against integrating with fire safety systems, the existing ones, and building management, as long as they provide an integration way. That's perfectly doable. So we would always, would like to interact with you. So if there is any use case, we can, of course, go through the documentation and help you with the integration.
Right, Lukasz. Thank you so much. I also have a similar question, which is just someone has typed. How quickly can I get this implemented for my site inspection use cases? And is there any dependency on my internal systems to roll this out?
No, there is no dependency on your internal system. This is a SaaS solution. So as quickly as we can, set up, let's say, a contract between us, you can start. The integrations, if needed, can be done in the next phase.
Thank you. Thank you, Lucas, for taking up that question. Um, I guess with this, we can end the Q&A session. And thank you all for your participation and asking us such engaging questions. And we hope that today's session is both informative and useful. And Lucas, a special thanks goes to you for sharing your expertise and insights with us today. I'm sure our audience would be getting immense benefit from this session. And let me tell it to everyone that this session is available in the recording of this session will be available soon. And yes, with this, we can conclude the webinar, and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for more updates and future webinars. And thank you, goodbye, and stay safe.
Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone.
Thanks, Lucas. Thanks all.